It's now been 14 years since the fateful day of March 2nd, 2012, when the high-risk forecast for violent long-track tornadoes unfortunately verified for parts of Kentucky, Ohio, and of course, southern Indiana. The Henryville tornado was on the ground for nearly 50 miles, causing nearly $60 million in damage and unfortunately claiming the lives of 11 people. It began near the town of Fredericksburg. The Weather Service office in Louisville quickly upgraded to a particularly dangerous situation tornado warning as the tornado became violent, showing a debris ball on radar and impacting Henryville with devastation. Crossing Interstate 65 roughly around 3:15 p.m. This is what it looked like from meteorologist Brian Wood's vantage point 2 miles south of the tornado. EF-4 damage in the town with maximum wind between 100 and 175 miles per hour. To date, it is the last EF-4 to hit the state. Since 1950, we've had only 33 EF-4 or greater tornadoes in the state. Hopefully, we won't have anyone anytime soon, but history tells us that we are probably overdue. We will keep you updated. It's the severe weather season.